for finding amazing freelancers, but here are 7 and a bonus site that I personally use that help me find world-class freelancers for my own e-commerce businesses. Now, if that's kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business, make sure you give this video a thumbs up just down there. That way I'll know you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. With that being said, let me show you the best places for your freelancers. First one of these is Onlinejobs.ph, which is a website that's massive in the Philippines. Heaps and heaps of Filipinos use this for finding work in companies like ours, okay, where they're going to be doing work from home, okay? So very, very good website. As far as rates of pay goes, it can be anything from, for a virtual assistant, from like 15,000 Filipino pesos a month to 25,000 Filipino pesos a month, okay? Depending on what you want them to do, etc., etc. But that gives you a good kind of spread for that. Anyway, really good website, very, very cool. Filipinos are great at this sort of stuff with virtual assistant work, okay? The other one I use as well is Just Remote. Now I use this one primarily for finding engineers, so computer programmers, data scientists, that sort of thing, okay? So geeks, basically. Very, very good for finding geeky people, engineers in this particular instance. So if you've got any work like that, where you need coding doing, websites doing, blah, 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 things like that, data science, data analytics, stuff like that, Just Remote, really, really good, okay? Really, really good. You'll also find heaps and heaps of great freelancers on Facebook. There are oodles of different communities for finding freelancers, finding work from home people on Facebook. So just join them, post your job in there. You'll get lots and lots of people applying for you, okay? On the same vein as that, social media is Reddit. I use Reddit heaps and heaps and heaps. This one is reddit.com/r/work online. So this is people who are specifically working online and or looking for work online. And there's heaps of really talented people in here as well. I really like that. Remoteive is a website I've been using quite recently. This is massive in the US of A. There's been this whole kind of movement towards not being in the office. This particular website has profited heaps from that movement to not being in the office. It's the #1 website in the USA for people who don't want to be in the office. They want to work from their home. It is more geared towards people that are looking for full-time work, okay? So just kind of have that in mind. It's more geared towards that. Not that you won't find people to work part-time for you, but it's not, you're not going to find people to do gigs for you, okay? We'll talk about gigs in just a second. Next, this is a gig website where you, like, here's something specifically I need doing. It will take, you know, a day, a few hours, a week to do. That's a gig. This is a really great website for SEO style gigs. I use these heaps and heaps and heaps. SEO is something we should cover in a lot more detail, but this is a really good one. SEOclerks.com, really good for short-term specific gigs around related to search engine optimization, specifically for search engines like Google or Bing, okay? Well, Google predominantly. FlexJobs, this is very, very busy. Again, it's pretty high level people on here. So I feel like this is like people who used to have pretty good paying jobs for these big organizations, and then since the pandemic and everything like that, they worked from home and they're like, screw going to the office, I really like it here. And this is a really great place for them to come. And again, they're looking primarily for full-time work, okay? Full-time work, but it's really good. Very, very high quality people on here, kind of LinkedIn style for what we're doing, okay? And then an honorable mention is Fiverr. I use Fiverr heaps for all sorts of different things, video production, music production for podcasts, writing for Amazon listings, design gigs for doing thumbnails for YouTubes, and on and on and on and on. Really, really good. That was a video from my regular Monday Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce entrepreneurs right around the world, not just from Australia. There's heaps and heaps of us from all over the place. I'm from bloody England myself. So if you want to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and you're going to learn how we can help you get started and make a ton of money in your own e-commerce business. Our members have got sales of over $50 million. Come check us out, come join us, you'll be glad you did. See you in the next video. Bye.